friends, good morning. It's a Saturday, 7th of November. So, let's prepare breakfast. Pag weekends lang kasi kami nakakapag-breakfast together ng asawa ko, kaya
it's a rainy day outside. Let's have hot dog. Eggs again. This is chicken and beef sausage. I'm having coffee and my husband is having green tea. Breakfast ready. Let's eat, guys. Parang kailangan ko ng butter.
it's my wash day today. In our household, kanya-kanya kami ng laba. I wash my own clothes, my husband and my children wash their own clothes. So today is my day. This is what I use to wash my clothes. It's a Tide, para siyang mga capsules. Ay, ito siya. Ayan. Ilalagay mo lang siya sa ilalim ng washing machine. And then just put in your clothes. You don't need to put any more fabric softener. Ito na lang. Parang 2-in-1 siya. 2-in-1 na siya. Meron siyang sarili niyang lalagyan. Ito kasi kailangan airtight yung container niya para hindi siya malalagyan ng moist or anything. I need to go to the dentist para magpa-adjust ng braces. And it's raining! It's still raining. I'm done with the dentist. Gusto daw ng Jollibee ng mga boys, kaya pupunta ako sa Jollibee to buy Jollibee, and then probably will go home na for lunch. Here now at Jollibee, we're ordering the nasi lemak fried chicken. So pinalitan ng rubber yung ipin ko. I chose the color blue.
Ano, electric mo nga to? Pinalat mo na naman yung mga ano.
We are going to have a taste test of the Jollibee nasi lemak! Tananan! 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 Ano ka ba? Dinudunggo-dunggo. So, inside the nasi lemak box is small fish, yung dilis. And then, merong cucumber, half an egg, at syempre ang Jollibee chicken. And the rice is, hindi siya yung usual na steamed rice lang. Meron siyang konting lasa. And of course, the most important thing is the sambal. The spicy sambal. Okay, here is the first taste. Ano yung chicken? Yung parang regular fried chicken lang, Dad?
Ang pinagkarba.
Okay. Pinalitan lang ng sambal yung gravy.
Oo.
Okay. Nasa na sila, Mac. Thank you.
Masarang ano.
Ha? Parang spaghetti?
Ginawa ni Kuya.
Oh my, mali yung order ni ate.
Ha? Mali?
Wrong.
Bakit?
Sabi ko, dalawang ano,
Dalawang
dapat
chicken.
spaghetti, dalawang spaghetti tsaka dalawang chicken. Ang ginawa niya, dalawang chicken na may fries. Ang anghang.
Ayaw mo palit tayo. Gusto mo? Ha?
Pero
Bakit? Ayaw mo yan, di ba?
hindi ko gusto yung ano.
Gusto mo spaghetti, di ba?
Tan, kuha kang water please.
Ba't dalawa lang yung coke?
Dapat sa kanila yan, dapat di na tayo magkukok. Nagda-diet tayo, di ba?
Ikaw lang, eh.
Nadamay na rin kita.
Walang lamay.
Ha?
Walang lamay.
Kain tayo, guys!
Hey, hello guys. We're having Caesarea for dinner. This one is the ravioli. Then this one is chicken fingers. Tristan is having, what's this? Milano Doria. And
Palabok yata, palabok.
And Angelo is having, Kuya, what's that? Bolognese pasta.
Pansin niyo ba guys, parati kaming kumakain. But we are not snackers. Hindi kami masyadong mas-snack. But we are big on the main meal. Like yung breakfast, lunch, dinner. Ayan. Mas focus kami dyan kesa dun sa mga maliliit na mga pa-snack-snack in between. Hindi kami mahilig kumain ng mga snacks. But yung 3 main meals, we never skip that. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll end the vlog here now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so that you'll be updated when I upload a new video. Thank you everyone! Bye!